Hello, friends and families. Day 2 of blogging. Mukha number nakhai dia. There you go. Ami aru ekhon art piece ot kaam kori asu. Ekhon floral belte thakibo with raisin work in it. Raisinor kaam ekhete jane. Moi raisin expert ekdom nohoy. Raisinor ekdom expert hoy. He got dry flowers. You see, he got me lots of flowers. আৰু দুটা আৰ্ট পিচ আছে পেক কৰিবলৈ ডেষ্টিনেশ্যনত পঠাব লাগিব as soon as possible হ্যাপি কাস্টমাৰ হ'ব লাগে আৰু so yeah come back with me also এটা এনি গিফট ৰেপ কৰি আছিলোঁ আৰু এটা পেকিং মই ৰেপ কৰিব নোৱাৰিলোঁ কাৰণ colors kini hukwa nai masuk luki ashun manu etani so thank you for being with us for this whole time. I'm blessed to have an audience today and I hope sobore jate rati bhal hok ami millennials je alop enake kori bhal pao jone jone relate koribo pare please muk eta dibo dei enake bhal lagi dei kideba kiba kam sam koi ahile man alop enake korile na hawa sawa humai jay mota lage so have a very good night and also good morning to everyone jone ratipa sabo and have a very wonderful see you at the next vlog bye bye